Hello students, welcome back. Today we'll continue with exercise 3.3 of chapter number 3, that is trigonometric functions. Till our last video lecture we had completed till exercise 3.2. Okay, so before starting exercise 3.3 we will learn some formulas. Okay, so let's start with some formulas, some new formulas. Formulas based on trigonometric functions as sum and difference of two angle. Okay. So first sine alpha plus beta. This will be equal to sine alpha beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Similarly, sine alpha minus beta. Now the difference that will be equal to sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. Okay. Now cos alpha plus beta. Cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. Cos alpha minus beta, that is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta. Okay, so sine alpha plus beta, sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Remember, plus it's here plus, here it's plus, here it's minus, here it's minus. So in sine, this sign will not change, whereas in cos it changes. It's plus, it changes to minus, minus change to plus. Okay, now technique to remember, you can use in short sine alpha plus minus beta, that is equal to SCCS, the same sign, plus plus minus minus. See, SCCS means S first angle will be always alpha, second will be always beta. So S sin alpha, C cos beta, C cos alpha, S sin beta. And same way, if it is cos alpha plus minus beta, then it is CCSS minus plus. Okay, clear? Or else you can remember it separately. Okay, like this way, sine alpha plus beta, that will be equal to SC plus CS. Sine alpha minus beta, that will be equal to SC minus CS. Cos alpha plus beta, that will be equal to CC minus SS, and cos alpha minus beta, that will be equal to CC plus SS. Clear? Okay, so this is the formula. Clear? Let me take an example. Okay, if I am asked to find it out, like let's take example sine, let's take cos 45 minus 30, 45 degree minus 30 degree difference. So what formula will CC plus SS? So cos, this is alpha, this is beta. So cos 45 cos 30. Here it is minus, in cos the sign changes, plus sine 45 sine 30. Okay, this is equal to cos 45 1 by root, cos 30 root 3 by 2, plus sine 45 1 by root 2 sine 30 1 by 2. So this will be equal to root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So this can be equal to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. This is just an example. Okay, this is example. Imagine, like question is asked like find out the value of cos 15 degree. We can express in this way: 15 degree as 45 degree minus 30 degree. Here, so this is just an example. Now note down these formulas. Okay, now The formula is in terms of tan and cot. Tan alpha plus beta. Okay, this will be equal to tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Clear? And second is tan alpha minus beta. This will be equal to tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Clear? So this was the formula about tan. Clear? Now next is for cot. Okay? Cot alpha plus beta. This will be equal to reciprocity. But cot alpha, cot beta, there is some change. Okay, cot alpha, cot beta minus 1 upon cot alpha, sorry, plus cot beta. And cot alpha minus beta, this will be equal to, you can remember in this one, the denominator, cot alpha minus cot beta upon cot alpha cot beta plus 1. Clear? So this, okay, so this is about cot. Clear? Okay. Okay, here there will be change. It's here it will be beta. Cot beta minus this. There is a small changes in cot. Okay. Clear? So see, it's just reverse. Cot alpha plus beta, cot alpha plus cot beta, cot alpha cot beta minus 1. And this is cot alpha cot beta plus 1 upon cot beta minus cot alpha. Okay? In shortcut, how can you remember this way? Tan alpha plus beta, tan alpha plus beta, t plus t, 1 minus tt. Okay? Tan alpha minus beta t minus t 1 plus tt. Sorry, I just okay, yes, right. 1 plus tt. Okay, same way cot alpha plus beta. You can use the same rhythm but from denominator like c plus c 1 minus cc. See, I am writing in reverse. For cot, I am writing in reverse from left hand side, not right hand side. C plus C 1 minus CC. And cot alpha minus beta again C minus C 1 plus CC. Okay. So here it will be alpha beta alpha beta alpha beta alpha beta. Here, this is a short way in which you can remember this. Okay. Now let's take an example. Okay. I need to take an example. If an example, like let's say the value of 1015 is asked, that will be equal to, I can write it down, 1045 degree minus 30 degree. So t minus t 1 plus tt, 1045 minus 1030 1 plus 1045 1030 degree. Clear? So 1045 1, 1030 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So what will be this? LCM will be root 3. So root 3 minus 1. Here also LCM will be root 3. Root 3 plus 1. Root 3 get cancelled. So its value is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So the value of 1015, it will be root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Clear? This was an example. Okay, so now note down about the formulas of tan and cot. Okay, so now let's move to exercise 3.3. Okay, based on these formulas and based on the formulas of basic that we had learned in previous session, we will be able to solve question 1 to 7. Okay, so let's start with exercise 3.3. Okay, exercise 3.3. Question number 1, 2, 3, and 4 that are just based on the values of trigonometric function having the specific angles. Okay, now remember this pi by 6 that is 30 degree, pi by 3 60 degree, pi by 4 45 degree, pi by 2 90 degree. Clear? Okay, so let's start with the first one. LHS. Sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Okay, sine square pi by 6, so value of sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Clear? So it's 1 by 2 whole square. Here sin pi by 6 that is sin 30 plus cos square pi by 3 that is cos pi by 3 square means cos 60 whole square. Okay, that is also equal to 1 by 2 cos 60 1 by 2 minus tan square pi by 4 tan pi by 4 that is tan 45 value of tan pi by 4 is 1, so this is 1 square. Okay, so 1 by 2 square that is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 square 1 by 4, 1 square 1. Okay, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 minus 1. If you subtract 1 from half, it will be minus half, right? So this will be equal to minus 1 upon 2, and that is equal to RHS. Yeah, so this was about question number 1. Now let's see question number 2. LHS 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cos x square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Now see sine square pi by 6, you know the value of sine pi by 6 1 by 2. You know the value of cos pi by 3, that is also 1 by 2. Now cos x square 7 pi by 6. Okay, that I will solve separately. See, that we have studied about it yesterday, pi shift and pi by 2 shift. So see cosec 7 pi by 6. Remember, you know the value of this specific angle till 90 only. So you need to bring this in first quadrant. So multiple of 6 closer to 7 is 6. 6 ones are 6. So I will write it down cos x 6 pi plus pi, that is 7 pi upon 6. So cosec, now you separate it. 6 pi by 6 pi plus pi by 6. Clear? Now pi shift, so it will be cosec. Okay. Now pi means if I take unit circle, okay, here it is pi. I will get here pi. It's plus. Let's proceed on. It is cosec pi by 6. Now plus and a minus sign, right? So now it's plus, so it will be in third quadrant. Right? In third quadrant, cosec is negative, so that is minus cosec pi by 6. Clear? So what is the value of cosec pi by 6? That is cosec 30, that is equal to 2, and it's minus, so this is equal to minus 2. See, what I did, I found out the value of cosec 7 pi by 6. Now I will just need to replace the values. So this is equal to 2 sine square pi by 6 sine pi by 6 1 by 2 whole square. Cosec square 7 pi by 6 cosec pi by 6 minus 2 whole square. Cos square pi by 3, that is equal to cos pi by 3, that is cos 61 by 2 and it's square, right? So this will be equal to 2 into 1 by 4 plus minus 2 square, that is plus 4 into 1 by 4. 4 4 gets cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are. This is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 by 2. And that is equal to RHS. Clear? So this was about question number 2. Remember, find out the value of cos x pi by 7 pi by 6 or any such other trigonometric function comes, right, whose angle is greater than 90, then find out its value separately and then just put it in the question. Okay? So solve question 1 and 2. Okay, now let's move to the next, that is third. Third. Okay. LHS. Cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Okay, what I will do, cosec 5 pi by 6, I will find it separately. Cosec 5 pi by 6. So closer 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 pi minus pi by 6. So this will be equal to cosec 6 pi by 6, pi minus pi by 6. So cosec pi by 6. Okay, now when I take unit circle, okay, if I take here unit circle, pi will be on this side, it's minus. So this side, second quadrant, in second quadrant cosec is positive, right? So here it will be plus, so I will write down its value as plus 2. Yeah. So now let's put the value. Cot square pi by 6. Cot pi by 6, that is equal to cot 30, that is root 3. Cosec 5 pi by 6, that is 2. 10 square pi by 6, right? Now 10 pi by 6, that is 1 by root 3, and it's square. Okay. So root 3 square, 3 plus 2. Now see, 3, and what is 1 by root 3 square? 1 by 3. So this is equal to 1. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. This is equal to RHS. Clear? Now let's see the fourth one. 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3. Clear? So first I need to find out sine 3 pi by 4. Sine 3 pi by 4, that is equal to sine 4 pi minus pi, right? 4 ones are 4. So I will separate it. 4 pi by 4, 4 4 gets cancelled. Minus pi by 4. Okay. When I take unit circle, first pi shift, so it is sine. Now for negative or positive sign, okay, pi, so this is here, minus pi, so I will go clockwise. So second quadrant sign is positive, so plus value of sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this is equal to 1 upon root 2. So 2 into 1 by root 2 square, now I'll write it directly, it's 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by root 2 and square plus 2. Cos square pi by 4, 1 by root 2 and square, so 1 by 2 plus 2. Sec square pi by 3. Right? Now sec square pi by 3, that is equal to sec pi by 3 square. Sec pi by 3, that is sec 60. Okay, and the value of sec 60 is 2. And it's square. So 2 square, it will be equal to 4. Okay, 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. So 1 plus 1 plus 4 to the 8. This is equal to 10. That is equal to RHS. Clear? So this was about question number 3 and 4. So just note it down. Okay, now let's move to the next. That is question number 5. In question number 5, there are two sub questions. You have to find out the value of sine 75 and sine 50. Okay, so first we'll see about sine 75. Okay, so now see here, sine 75, I will express this angle 75 degree in the form of sum of two angles. Here I can write down 75 as 45 plus 30. 45 degree plus 30 degree. So this is nothing but sine alpha plus beta. SCCS. And in sine, the sign between both these angles remains same. So I will write down sine cos plus cos sine. SCCS. Alpha 45 degree, 30 degree. 45 degree, 30. You need to maintain this sequence of angle. Clear? So now, value of sine 45, 1 by root 2, cos 30, 1 by root 3 by 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2, sine 30, 1 by 2. So this will be equal to root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Clear? So this will be equal to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Here, this is the value of sine 75. Clear? Now let's see the next, that is 10, 15. 10, 15 degree. I can express this as a difference of two angles, like 10, 45 degree minus 30 degree. This was the example that we had taken. T plus T, 1 minus TT. So 10, 45 minus, sorry, T minus T, 1 plus TT upon 1 plus 10, 45 degree, 10, 30 degree. So 10, 45, 1. 10, 30, 1 upon root 3. 1 plus 10, 45, 1. 1 upon root 3. Okay, so this will be equal to root 3 minus 1 upon root 3, root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Okay, so root 3 gets cancelled. So answer will be root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Clear? This was the second part of question number 5. Just note it down. Now let's move to the next, that is question number 6. Question number 6. You have to prove that cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 plus minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y, that is equal to sin x plus y. Okay, now see, if you will focus on the question. Okay, let me write down this LHS. Cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sine pi by 4 minus x sine pi by 4 minus y. Okay, now when you will see here, pi by 4 minus x, pi by 4 minus x. I will take alpha, alpha. Pi by 4 minus y, pi by 4 minus y, beta, beta. So in short, what is it? I can write it down in this way: C minus S. Right? And what is this formula? Cos alpha plus beta. Okay, I will write down this as cos alpha plus beta. Okay, so now see here. This will be equal to cos. What is alpha? Just a minute. Cos. What is alpha? Pi by 4 minus x. Plus. What is beta? Pi by 4 minus y. Okay. So see, cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4. That is equal to pi by 2. Right? Means 2 pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 2 pi by 4. Minus x minus y. Okay. So this is equal to, okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this will be equal to cos pi by 2 minus, when I take minus common, I will get x plus y. Now see, what is the formula? What is the formula for cos pi by 2 minus theta? Pi by 2 shift, that is 90 degree, minus, it's in first quadrant, as it is pi by 2, I need to change it to sine. Remember, okay, because this is the complementary. So what answer I will get? If I consider this as theta, x plus y as theta, I will get, I need to change cos to sine, as it is pi by 2 shift, and x plus y. This is equal to RHS. Clear? So note down question number 6. Now let's move to the next one, that is question number 7. Question number 7. Okay, you have to prove that 10 pi by 4 plus x upon 10 pi by 4 minus x, that is equal to 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x whole square. Let's take LHS. 10 pi by 4 plus x upon 10 pi by 4 minus x. Okay, so 10 alpha plus beta, t plus t, 1 minus tt. Okay, what is the formula for 10 alpha plus beta? I have to write down t plus t, 1 minus tt. So this will be 10 pi by 4 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10 pi by 4 10x. Okay, upon, again now 10 pi by 4 minus x, so t minus t, 1 plus t, so 10 pi by 4 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10 pi by 4 10x. Okay, when I will take it here, 10 pi by 4, that is 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10 pi by 4, that is 1 into 10x, 10x upon 10 pi by 4, that is again 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x. Okay, so when there is ratio like this way, a upon b upon c upon d, then in two fraction, if I want to write down this ratio in two fraction, it will be a into d. This two gets multiplied upon B into C. So this will be equal to 1 plus 10x into 1 plus 10x, 1 plus 10x whole square upon 1 minus 10x into 1 minus 10x, 1 minus 10x into whole square. So this is equal to RHS like this, 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x whole square. This is equal to RHS. Okay. So what I did, I just used the formula t plus t 1 plus tt in the numerator and t minus t 1 plus t, sorry, t plus t 1 minus tt in the numerator and t minus t 1 plus tt in the denominator. Then just put down the value of 10 pi by 4 as 1. Here. So now solve this question number 7. Okay, students, so that's it for today. In our next video lecture, we will continue from question number 8. Thank you.